Man, shad minnows are packed in here.
Yeah.
He's flipping around everywhere. When you see one flip, that means he's one of a million that's in that school.
Yeah.
And this one of those kinds you want to be sure you don't wrap that thing sticking up there, because that's cane.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's going to be another pretty good crappie there. I think it's a keeper.
Looks like a nice one.
I like to keep my eyes sharp, so I like to measure him. You know, I know he's more than 10. I know he's more than 10. He's about 11 and a half.
Yeah. There you go.
If you had me all pulled up there, that's big enough that was. He's about 204. I was saying about crappie, they'll come up to get it, they won't go down to get it.
Uh-huh.
But you, oh man, there was one right there.
Oh, there we go. Oh, got off. Back over here is where he was. Got him?
That's about a 10-incher.
Yep.
I feel confident we catch another one out there. Let me get the buck fixed.
That's what I was thinking. I definitely got hit twice.
Yeah, I had a couple hits before I talked to him.
Looks like I saw a steak shaking pretty good there. Oh, wrapped up on top here.
I got this stud.
Big fish of the day.
Big fish of the day. You probably never fished like this before, have you?
Never, nah.
I didn't figure you would have.
That's the first, it's definitely a first for me. Well, I just knew we were going to pull one more out of there.
I did, but it's only about that long. Change your angle. Sometimes change your angle.
Give them a little different
I think
presentation.
they see it and they think it's escaping.
Yeah.
Like, I need to get it before it gets out of here. On a backtrack pattern here, I'm not going to worry about it.
There he is.
Keeper? Use the whole rod. Use the whole rod.
Oh, he got off.
I hate you done that. Okay, I hate that you done that. A lot of people, I don't know why, they don't think that rod's in the boat. You don't have to do this. When you get it, when you've got him up to about that much line, you just use the whole rod and set him in the boat.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
If you grab it up here, if he's inside, you break that rod.
Okay.
So, sorry you lost him by me trying to teach you.
Yeah.
But just especially on carving over your neck, just when you get in the boat, just straight up in the boat with it. Now,
Okay.
if he's big and he's pulling away, Don't try to pull him in the boat while he's pulling away. Wait till he turns and comes back and it's kind of coming up. It's all in one motion.
Okay.
Set him in the boat. Sorry you lost him on the training mission. It's okay.
What I did was I forgot about that bobber. And then I had that bobber at the end, so I let off.
Yeah, I see what you're doing. You open that bail up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, reel up to about where the line is about is hanging off the rod about this much. Just set him in the boat.
Okay.
Same way with bass too. Now, don't get me wrong. There's a tournament using net.
Yeah.
I'd rather have a net in the boat. I hate you lost him during the training, but not bad. I should have just let you set him in the boat. But when I seen you opening that bail up, I thought
I didn't want to damage the rod, him pulling on it.
these crappie rods are little cheap rods.
Nope. Got him.
I don't think he's gonna keep. Man, that sundog.
There he is.
It's bad.
Got him too. Doubled up.
Mine's not a keeper.
Mine's not very big
Here's
either.
the strike. Two keepers.
Oh, he's got some prickly gills.
Yeah. Okay. What do you know about them little fish?
Nothing.
Let me tell you.
I know they're called a stripe, and that's it.
Yeah. Let me. What have I got here? Okay. He's small enough. Their gill plates, see them flare, those gill plates are razor sharp. See him flaring them out? You want to take one of those off the hook, mash him down like that.
Okay.
And don't flick him back. Open your hand up.
Okay.
Because if you flick him, he flares those gills out.
Yeah.
They'll slice your hand. You know how I know this kind of stuff? I've been sliced a few times.
Well, we've been.
Those things strike. They don't mean to hurt you. Well, they do.
Yeah, they do.
Flare those gill plates out. Those gill plates are sharp as razor. You see those beds back there?
Yeah.
I am tempted before we leave here to go back there and try to fish them.
Yeah. Wouldn't break my heart.
If we had numbers of largemouth like we used to, we'd be catching them right here today.
Yeah.
It's murky water. 51.4. That's fine. That's plenty warm enough. That's a shit. You see how this thing flattens out right there? It's kind of shallow right there.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Just steady pressure on it. You got good. It'll stay.
Yeah.
No, I think you. That's a big old strike. That's why he's going so crazy. Okay, same thing on. Now, he's a good into practice, so.
Wait till he runs back here.
Yeah, look here. That's about the right amount. And I know what it is about people think that rod won't pick that fish up. But all in one motion. Come up with it. Practice with it. Put him back out there. Practice with it.
All right.
That's a big old strike. Just all in one motion. Put your hand on the hand. Put your other hand on the handle.
And just force him up.
All in one quick motion. That rod will pick him up.
Okay.
Remember what I told you about him?
Yeah.
Cover those, pinch those gill plates shut before you start trying to take that hook out of it.
You grab him over his.
Yes, pinch. Yeah, there you go. Pinch them shut, and then get your lure out of him. And when you get rid of him, point his head down toward the water, and just open your hand. Man, that's a big old strike.
Yeah. Hand towards the water.
Yeah, there you go. Man, they got them shad scooping up back here.
Yeah. That was fun.
Yeah, I first thought you was gonna have. I first thought you had 3 or 4 pound bag.
That's what I thought I had too. I didn't know what I had. I felt that rod get heavy. Then I thought, is he running at me? I've got one.
You got one, yeah. Yeah, you don't have to wind hard. Another big strike. Another big strike.
All right, let's see if I can be caught at anything.
They must be back here because all these shad are back here, I guess.
Can I hold him like this?
Yeah, as long as you got your hand in your mouth, you're good.
I don't know if the camera's getting it. Let's see. There we go.
All right, I'm gonna go back down here. That's what I'm gonna do. You know, that fish, I didn't turn that handle but one time and he crushed it. I mean, I just turned the handle one time.
You got him on there still?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
This is a pretty good fish, I think.
Got him foul hooked maybe?
No, it turned around then. It had him in the gill there.
It's a whole lot fatter than they are in that pond I've been fishing.
Check that out, Emily. Eat your heart out.
Oh, there's a good one. Got one.
Right where you're supposed to come from, too.
Yep. Alrighty. Now I got myself caught. I'll let you go and I won't catch myself. There we go. Got him?